guys, welcome back to my channel, Deborah the Beast, and today I made a DIY video of making slime, and I did a DIY video making slime, and I'm going to show you guys what it turned out with. If you guys didn't turn out with this slime, I am sorry, you guys must have misheard us and put in the wrong ingredients. So let's go. I kept it in this container. We added clear glue, but we added also baking soda, so it made the slime white. It's supposed to be clear. It's actually really good slime. Oh, that's like good hearing. I made this with my dad, but it's very stretchy. Like, we didn't add no shaving cream, no lotion to this. Like, this, it's amazing. It's so good. Here, like, I'll show you the crunching noise. So this is it, like, when you poke it like this. Now I'm not gonna try to do a bubble. It's hard to get recording with my phone. Okay, here we go, guys. Look at that. It's supposed to be clear, but it didn't really turn out clear. Going down. Oh. It's hard because the phone's like right in front of me, so it's kind of hard. 3, 2, 1. But it's like I haven't made a bubble. But you ready to hear the crunchy noise? That is some good one, and it went like really good. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, it went for a long time. There we go. Well, yeah, guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, smash that like button, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.